Good morning! A new day has begun in our little village.
Ka! Wake up, everyone!
What a peaceful morning.
Me, time to wander.
The quiet village slowly wakes under the warm sunrise.
A calm and beautiful morning begins in the village.
Morning news! Get your morning news!
Today's paper has arrived!
More homes are waiting for their news.
Fresh milk for the village! Here is your fresh milk for the morning. Let's start our day's work. Yes, a fine day for it.
That's enough milk for today. Let me take this inside.
First, I should clean the courtyard. A clean home makes the day better.
Just a little more cleaning. The courtyard looks nice now.
Now I will collect fresh vegetables. Come, my dear cow, let me collect fresh milk.
This will be perfect for milking.
Perfect potatoes for cooking. These chilies will add flavor. Fresh spinach is always healthy. Onions are also ready.
Now everything is ready.
Fresh milk will make today's food delicious. The milk is filling up nicely. These will make a tasty dish. Let me prepare the ingredients.
Everything must be organized first.
Now the cooking can begin. Clean vegetables are important.
Let me chop the onions.
Just a little spice.
Fresh spinach will taste great. This will be the pakora batter.
Mixing everything together.
I'll leave them here. Here are the ingredients you needed.
I'm back home. I have brought the things from the market.
The oil is getting hot.
Now I will heat the oil. The pan is ready.
The fire is burning nicely. Time to light the stove.
The batter is ready.
Now I will start frying. The pakoras are frying.
They are turning golden.
Almost ready.
Crispy pakoras are done.
Chutney will make them tastier.
Let's enjoy this snack.
Please sit and eat.
These look delicious. This tastes wonderful.